Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to set app driver mode in Oppo K10 phone. As you can see guys, I cannot scroll it my phone guys. So you want to set guys app driver, so you can set it. In this video guys, I will show you how to set app driver. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you're watching video first time. So first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all open your phone setting guys. Then guys you can see this type of setting. Then guys you will have to click on this home screen and lock screen setting. Then guys click on first one home screen mode. So guys, you can see guys driver mode. So we will click here and guys apply option and guys click on the switch option. So guys now app driver mode has set it. So you can see you can scroll your phone. You can see your every app from here. So I think friends you have understood how to set app driver mode in Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.